Congratulations on the purchase of your new vehicle. Here's what to expect when you arrive for delivery. Before you arrive, take a moment to review your new vehicle orientation, emailed to you by your salesperson. This interactive guide acts as your complete owner's manual for your specific vehicle. Enjoy quick video explanations and details about everything you need to know about your new Ford. Taking ownership of your new vehicle is an exciting time that requires attention to detail so you're fully informed and set up for the best ownership experience. Expect to spend about an hour at the dealership so our team can properly complete your paperwork, set up your FordPass app and FordPass rewards, and provide an in-depth presentation of all your vehicle's important features. To guarantee a smooth delivery process, have a void check, a copy of your insurance, and your driver's license with you when you arrive. If able, you can go ahead and download the FordPass app on your smartphone beforehand to expedite the setup process at delivery. This will be your gateway to everything you need when enjoying your FordPass rewards, contacting our dealership, and managing your vehicle. When you arrive, we'll introduce you to our service, quick lane, and parts teams. They are dedicated to helping your ownership experience be the easiest and most enjoyable possible. From maintenance and repairs to tires and wiper blades, our team will take great care of you and your new vehicle. Before finalizing paperwork, your salesperson will carefully review your vehicle with you. They'll help you set up your FordPass app and activate your vehicle, as well as assist with connecting any devices. When comfortable, you'll complete the paperwork with your dedicated financial services officer, who will explain all of your contract terms, your payment schedule, and opportunities to enhance your investment with prepaid maintenance, extended warranties, and credit insurance. Finally, you'll meet our sales manager to review the delivery process and ensure that you are completely satisfied. Then, the delivery process is complete and you are ready to head off on your first drive in your new ride. If you have any questions or need assistance, please contact our sales team. Thank you for choosing Drayton Valley Ford. We'll see you soon.